The AliDropship Supreme Custom Store service is AliDropship's more premium-priced custom store package and delivers a done-for-you dropshipping business that is ready to make sales from the get-go. At its core, it runs on the AliDropship plugin, which helps to automate the processes involved with running an online store or dropshipping business. A done-for-you turnkey store that comes with thorough niche research optimized for profit and sophisticated custom design. It's a store that's tailored and optimized for profit, especially for both experienced and inexperienced individuals looking for multiple streams of income. Just think of it as a profit machine. Everything you'll ever need to run a successful dropshipping business is included in the store. All you simply need to do is turn in the key and start making sales via your dropshipping store. Once you purchase the Supreme Store package, the AliDropship will assign a personal manager to you. This manager will reach out to you and learn more about what kind of store you're interested in running, and if you want to be more or less involved with the creation process. Once you've spoken with your personal manager, and they understand your wants and requirements, they'll then brief their store creation team on all of the details. You'll also be given access to a Basecamp for project assessment. This is a special platform that allows you to monitor all activities around your custom store creation. This will give you control over the working process and as well give you the opportunity of sharing your thoughts and opinion about the work. It takes approximately 30 to 35 business days to create the store, as it includes over 500 products, and they need to edit each one of these individually. However, you'll then receive your turnkey store, which is fully ready to make sales. If you have any feedback or need any changes made, the AliDropship team is always available to reach out to for help. As soon as the store is ready, your project manager will provide you with access details to the store. It's all yours and you can freely amend it the way you want. You'll also receive guides and instructions on how to manage and promote your store from your project manager. The cost of the Supreme Custom Store is $2,899 one-time fee. The Supreme package comes with a carefully selected and analyzed niche for your store. If you've had experience with niche research yourself, you'd understand the job done for you. They ensure all niche is in demand and has a stable long-term resilience and maximum potential for future growth. This research is done using Google Trends and Google AdWords, plus you'll be provided with in-depth keyword analysis. If you also have a niche in mind, an extensive keywords analysis will also be done for you to see the viability of the niche. The Supreme Custom Store package also comes with the highest plan of the AliDropship web hosting that's optimized for the dropshipping plugin. The Platinum web hosting plan costs $220 per year and it comes with the Supreme package. The Supreme Custom Store package comes with 150 top-quality SEO backlinks from top domains to rank your store website. This will lead to free organic traffic and sales. You will also get ads for Facebook and Instagram, so you won't have to worry about coming up with ads again because these templates are actually done by experts. You just need to copy and paste. Included in the Supreme package is the lead generation system that is thoroughly set up to guarantee seamless communication with customers. And also for the success of all your marketing campaigns. The AliDropship Supreme package is also equipped with the Abandoned Cart plugin, an effective tool that helps to get back clients and returns almost lost orders through the help of automated emails. This tool helps in saving time, cost, and most importantly improves store revenue and conversion rates through the automated triggered emails. The 3-in-1 Sales Booster marketing tool is also a unique tool that comes with the AliDropship Custom Store Supreme package. It's an all-in-one tool that converts visitors into buyers quickly. It works by motivating them to buy as a result of the sense of urgency created in your store. It includes a cart timer, social proof, and trust badges to win your visitors' trust. The AliDropship team will create promo videos that can be used to promote the product on your dropshipping store. Apart from these, you will also receive unique and stylish design, premium domain name, optimized themes, all-device responsive website, in-demand products, on-site SEO, automated management system, social media promo tool, promo email setup, branded social pages, popular payment gateways, integrated marketing tools, Google Analytics integration and lifetime support. AliDropship includes all of their add-ons in this package, and thus you'll get a store that is highly optimized for converting visitors to buyers. The price of the Supreme package is very expensive, but what you're getting in return is a mega store completely optimized for profits, which I think is worth the investment. It's basically a shortcut to having a successfully dropshipping business. It will literally save weeks of stress if you're to set it up yourself. It's perfect for someone who values their time over money and wants to receive a completely done-for-you business, which only then requires traffic to be making sales. Given that the store includes social media automation, is SEO optimized, and also includes done-for-you PPC marketing ads, it's truly a hands-off business, ideal for the serious entrepreneur, investor. That was it. I hope you enjoyed watching my in-depth review. Use the coupon code DWDEALS to get 15% off when you purchase any of the AliDropship solutions. If you have any questions regarding dropshipping in general, let me know by commenting below.